Today I'm testing viral skincare recipes to see if I can actually make a full luxury gift basket from scratch using nothing but DIY magic. Let's see if this ends up looking Pinterest perfect or homemade in all the wrong ways. Hey y'all, welcome to the DIY Lab. I'm Alvi, and this is where we experiment with creative, crafty, and chaotic DIYs to see what really works. Today's experiment, a luxury skincare gift basket, completely made by hand by moi. Yep, every scrub, butter, lip balm is getting mixed right here. Let's go. So here's the plan. I want this basket to feel like a full spa moment. I'm making a whipped body butter, a sugar scrub, a lip balm, and a mini bath soak. First up is the body butter. Just 3 main ingredients from my own personal recipe, and that's shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, and then I put a little tea tree oil, essential oil in that, and a little bit of arrowroot powder. I'm melting this down, I'm cooling it in my fridge, and I'm whipping it until it's fluffy. Y'all, it looks like frosting. Do not eat this. Next is my simpler version of my sugar scrub recipe. All it is just sugar, coconut oil, and a little lavender and soap dye. For the lip balm, I'm going to be melting down shea butter, beeswax, pellets, jojoba oil, and some coconut oil. And then I'm going to pour them into these cute little lip balm containers. This part always makes me feel like a scientist. And finally, a lavender bath soak. It's just Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, dried lavender buds, a few drops of lavender essential oil, and it came out. It was very super simple, and I put it in these little pouches. on this cute basket and added shredded paper for filler. And now I'm placing everything in, making sure the tallest item goes in the back. Of course, I had to add a few extra items in there. Some lashes, a soap bar, and a bath bomb. I can't believe I made all of this from scratch. It smells amazing, it looks luxe, and costs way less than the pre-made one. If you ever thought, girl, I could never do that, you absolutely can. This was surprisingly easy and so worth it. If you love this kind of DIY from scratch project, don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, I'm testing viral homemade candles, and some of them might explode. So, see you there.